can't believe I'm recording this shit, y'all. Can't believe it. Just like I've been growing out this hair, I've been growing out this hair. Oh my God, I'm fucking scared.
Ass indeed. Okay. I don't care if they can read, but let me say, Barack Obama straight fucked the shit out of me. I didn't even enjoy.
Yeah, psych my mind out to do this. Okay. Anyways, let's get to it. Here we go. How you say this? SIRABE hair removal wax kit. Okay. It's hard to wax. I already plugged it up. I haven't used it yet. Of course, look at this. I have not used it yet at all. Like, I'm getting rid of this tonight. Scared bitch. So this is an all over body wax kit. They said don't drink, don't do nothing before you do this. Oh well, I did. It comes with 4 packs. I already have the pink one inside the wax warmer right now. Excuse me, and I had to eat and everything. I had to psych my mind out and prepare myself for this. So this one is ideal for removal of body hair, body and facial hair all over the skin. Okay, they say all the same damn thing. Okay, so I can use this on every damn part. Okay, so you got this color, you got this color, and I got the pink one over there. It came with these craft sticks, these popsicle sticks, different sizes. And it came with them directions. You ain't gotta guess shit. But my thing is, you better YouTube your ass off if you are not a licensed professional. Even me, I'm a licensed professional. But I ain't did this in a long time. Normally, I just go let somebody else do it, and I'll be like, okay, this bitch about to rip it all. This bitch about to rip it all. You know? Well, it's better when somebody else do it, but still. But look, it got all the directions up in there, everything. Quick start ready. Da 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 da. Hair should be it tell you how long your hair should be. I've been growing this out since last year, 2020. We're now in 2021. It is now time to start new beginnings. And yeah, this gonna be nice. Still scared. I already tested and all that shit. Yeah, we about to get to it. It don't come with no remover and all that shit, but you already know, like, it's hard wax. Period. Anyways, here goes some organic coconut oil my husband picked up for me because that's what I'm gonna use afterwards. I'm gonna be like to remove the remainder of the wax off. But first, like I'm just going through the motions right now. Bitch, I got me some cornstarch baby powder with lavender, absorbs moisture. You already know this put some powder on or whatever. Make sure it's clean. You ain't got no deodorant on, none of that shit, okay? Don't say I didn't tell you nothing. I'm gonna go like this. Corvette. Hopped in a jet? No, none of that shit. Ain't hopping in no jet no time soon. Boom. I don't give a fuck. Doing all like that. Oh, that shit smell good. Wear something you don't give a fuck about. I don't give a fuck about this. So therefore. And it's hard wax. Shit. That powder got everywhere. Whew. Child. So yeah. You do that shit first, right? You don't need that much like I did. I was just going overboard. I might have to pin this shit up. Oh shit. Okay. I gotta check the fucking wax. Okay, we can talk about hair growth. So we already know this part is going down. I'm gonna have to put the wax down that way and rip it that way. We already know this part is going up. So I'm gonna place it up and then rip it down. This basically you go the opposite damn way. Bitch, I'm not ready for this. Like I gotta psych my fucking mind out. Like, bitch, you could do it, baby. You a thug, bitch. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I mean, I bought the motherfucking kit. The kit ain't cost that much. I'm gonna link this shit down below. I'm just like, bitch, damn, you about to do this? Let me check this wax. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and spade it up because I already know people ain't even probably gonna watch 5 minutes of this video, but I'm trying to put y'all up on game. We still on lockdown. You still want to save your coins. You want to try and travel this year or not? Exactly. So I went ahead and warmed it up. You wanted to get the consistency of like honey. I just tested on the back of my wrist. Look at the flick of the wrist. Hey, look at the flick of the wrist. Because originally, if y'all would have heard everything I was saying, no. Like, I was like, oh, let me try and do a voiceover this morning. Child. Like I said, don't say, I ain't tell y'all nothing. Y'all run out them popsicle sticks, go buy you some from 99-cent store or buy that shit in bulk. Just break the shit in half. Okay? That part. It'll be alright. But you can tell, like, that shit was damn near too hot. But anyways, okay, so you see how I'm putting on the wax? The hair is growing in a downward pattern. So you put the wax on in a downward pattern and you're gonna pull it the opposite way. Remember, you wanna keep that arm over your head because that's damn near like holding your skin taut. Not taut, TAUGHT. You know I ain't no spelling bee champ. Not that taut, but taut, like hold the skin tight. Taut. TAUT. I think that's how you spell that shit. Anyways, I hope this video don't flop. I hope this video was informative for somebody, help somebody out. If y'all have any questions, y'all already know. Post y'all comments down below. What's the next video y'all trying to see? What's really good? And the hair I got in my hair, I gotta let y'all know about that too. I got the hair off of Amazon. I'm gonna put the link down below. Cause y'all know I be reviewing hair too, right? Y'all, my husband was in the room cracking me up, all kind of shit. Here we go. Girl. Oh shit. 1, 2. Count that shit on your fucking mind. You could do it. You could do it. Yep. My husband was like, you mean do it? I'm like, no, bro. The fuck? Nah. Nah. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. And my son came in the room, all kind of shit. Everybody, it was a lot going on. I'm like, damn, y'all. Damn. But here we go. We gonna do it. That shit about to be so bitch. Right there, like, bitch. Ah, yeah, bitch. Anyways, but look at it. Place your hand right on that shit afterwards. It's gonna help with the stinging. Okay, dead ass. Look at that shit. Bitch, I'm shocked. And I'm like, wait. Look at that. Bitch, look at it here. I don't know if y'all want to see the pictures. Because, bitch, when I said I took pictures of that, I was like, the fuck? It came straight out the motherfucking follicle. Okay. Yes, bitch. Look. I did not do the other thing on camera, though. I didn't do the other arm. Nope. Alright, I'm back. I think I'm alright now. Oh, let me position myself again. Show y'all this shit. Damn, that shit really fucking. Whew. I had to warm this shit back up because I took so fucking long. I think that shit too hot. Look at that shit. It should not be like that. It should be like, honey. This shit flimsy as fuck. I don't want to hold this shit and then this shit drop on me. But I would test that shit on my wrist like fucking baby milk. And then backhand. Hell yeah, that shit fucking hot. I done burned the fuck out my wrist just now. The fuck? Pause. Pause. Photo shoot. Hold on. Y'all, don't do that. Don't do that. You see me? Okay. I'm just want to be over with this shit already because, bitch. I'm trying to show y'all some real life shit, yo. Real life. Okay, my hair goes upward, so hold up. I thought I was about to burn my fucking self. That shit gotta cool down, bitch. My husband's like, I can't believe you doing that. What you mean, bro? Like, I can't believe people shave, but they do. People do stuff for certain reasons. I'm trying to let this shit cool down. I'm gonna put some more because I gotta put enough on there to get a good grab. You feel me? Mm-mm-mm. Oh my god. That shit like fucking bubblegum, bitch. Bubblegum, bubblegum. Bubblegum, bubblegum in the dish. How many hairs do you wish to fucking come off? All of it. I'm not doing the other arm with y'all. Fuck that shit. Y'all ain't that fucking special. Let me. Oh, shit. And I should have done the thicker fucking. Oh man. I should have done the thicker. And that shit dry already. Okay. So because my hair goes upwards, I went upward like that, and now I'm supposed to pull it down. And I should have done a thicker. Bitch. Whew. I'm trying to show y'all this shit because I'm not about to do the other fucking armpit with y'all. This taking too fucking long. Make sure y'all do it thick like I did the other part. Because right now I'm fucking struggling. Because you got to do it thick. See how it's too thin? I want to get a good grasp on this. 1, 2, 3. Ow! Fucking. Ooh. Ooh. Fuck. Bitch. Okay. My armpit is fucking beautiful. I'm not doing the other fucking armpit with y'all. And that's on Jesus. Dang, look at that armpit though. Sexy though. Hey, hey. Now I can raise my hand. Now I can do boom, boom. I can do that. Not be like, oh, that hey, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I'll give y'all my review. Ooh, for sure, for sure. Let me go in this that part. I gotta do the other side now. All right, y'all, I'm back. Man, when I tell you, ooh, child. Anyways, look at that. Y'all see how they look before? Now, Devon bought me some organic coconut oil. Thanks, dear. Let's see. Open it. And this is only gonna be for waxing purposes. Okay? Ain't using this shit for no cooking. Alright? Get whatever the fuck you need. Some type of oil base to get the residue of that glue off. Because I'm not about to pick the rest off. And you can use that shit to moisturize your skin too, bitch. Oh, look at that. Bitch, what? That's fucking amazing. Look at that. If y'all go ahead and pay all that money for somebody to put y'all in pain, that's fine. And my armpits about to smell good. Look at that. Look at that. Yep. Time rounds. I should take that out at first. Oh, I should just put the oil on there. I'll just throw some on there. Up close and personal. Y'all forgot I'm a licensed esthetician. People be forgetting. But it's okay. It just took me a while. I had to read reviews and stuff on these hot wax machines, y'all. Ta-da! Okay. Bye.